Make grinder out of hard drive. You're gonna need old hard drive that doesn't work. You're gonna open it, and inside there is metal plate, magnetic head, and 2 neodymium magnets that are very powerful. You're gonna use them for other projects. We're gonna add some glue on the metal plate, and we're gonna glue it the sandpaper on the metal plate. For powering this grinder, I'm using 12-volt adapter, or you can use old PC power supply. In just few minutes I make grinder out of hard drive, and now I'm gonna sharp my knife. Thanks for watching, subscribe and visit my channel page.